Welcome back. In the last episode, we learned about temperature and absolute zero. Now let's ask another simple but deep question. What exactly is energy? You may have heard the word energy in many places, like when someone says, "I feel low on energy," or when we talk about electricity, food, or fuel. In science, energy has a very clear meaning. Energy is the ability to cause change. That's it. Simple and powerful. If something can make something else move, heat up, light up, or change in any way, then it has energy. For example, imagine a stone sitting on top of a hill. It is not moving, but it can fall down. The reason it can fall is because it has stored energy, even though it looks still. This kind of stored energy is called potential energy. It lives quietly inside the stone, just waiting to act. Now imagine a rolling ball. It is moving. And because it is moving, it has kinetic energy, energy of motion. So here are the two most important types of energy you must remember. One is kinetic energy, the energy of motion. The other is potential energy, the energy of possibility. Now here is one of the deepest truths in all of physics. Energy cannot be created and it cannot be destroyed. It can only change form. That means energy that existed long ago still exists today, just in a different form. For example, sunlight becomes plant food when the plant grows. Plant food becomes energy in your body when you eat it. And your motion becomes sound when you clap your hands. None of these energies disappear. They simply transform. Now you might wonder, if energy can never be destroyed, does absolute zero mean zero energy? The answer is no. Even at absolute zero, particles still have a tiny bit of leftover energy that cannot be removed. This is called zero-point energy, and we will explore it later. So let's summarize in the simplest way. Energy is the ability to cause change. Motion and heat are just expressions of energy. And energy never goes away. It only changes form. In the next episode, we will discover how motion and time are connected at the smallest scales of nature, and how that leads us into the strange world of quantum reality.